Okay, so you are going to learn what is CoSpaces. So when you go into our new spaces, you will see that, okay, now you got some thing that you cannot see, like this is the floor. And then you got this camera. You can move it by dragging in, and then by zooming in and zooming out, you can just use the mouse to zoom in and zoom out. So if you want to move, okay, not like moving around the perspective, you can press the space button and then move, okay, by dragging left and right, you can move, okay. And then about the environment, actually you can change it by clicking this edit, and then you can choose the environment, like you can change it into somewhere like this, and then you can change it easily, okay, you can change it easily. And then you can also see that there will be something called the effect, like whether you can change the environment, the weather or not, okay. And you can also see something like this, okay, you can export this one yourself. And then for the filter, it is like the color that you see. Now this is black in color, brown, red, and so on, okay. And then you can also find out that from the library, you can just drop something inside. For example, you can drop the boy here, and then you will find out there will be a boy, okay, like this. And then when you click on the boy, right click on that, you will find out there are so many terms, okay, there will be so many terms. And then you can copy it, okay, only when you have enabled this function. And you will also see that there will be something called a speech. It can say something, it can think something, and then there will be something called the animation, so you can change the animation of it, like you can change it, okay, but it will only be played when you click the play button, okay, like this one. And then you can also transform it, which means you can make it larger, smaller, or rotate it, okay, and you can change the position. So sometimes maybe you will also use this arrow or this button directly, like this one is jagged, to make it larger or smaller, okay. And then for this one, you can move it, okay, up and down. And then you can click this one to move it along the XYZ, okay, axis, like this one, and then this one, and also this one, the blue color, okay. And last button, it is about the rotation mode. You can rotate it along different side, like the blue color and then the green color, and also for the red color. See it? Okay, so if you find out that, okay, after your rotation you want to make sure that this boy does not look so strange, you go back to the rotation, change it to 0, 0, 0, then that should be fine, okay. And you can always set it here. So this is the basic operation of it, okay, of the item. So you can also change the color by clicking the materials, then you can change the color of the cloth. And for the skin as well, you can always change it to something that you want, and that is called the material of it, okay. And then if you want to make sure that this one can be moving, okay, you have to click this code and then click inside and then go to code here. Now choose the code blocks, and you will find out, for example, for this action you can set the animation of the casual boy to clap his hand, or you can always add something here. So we will explore different uses of the block in different tasks. So it is time for you to explore the possibilities of doing anything in CoSpaces.